I started with Dermatude because I was really looking for something effective to fight the aging process. And to fight the aging process, there is a lot of good skincare treatments available, which last for 2-3 days. And then you have the opportunity to go to clinics and do some more invasive treatments. But in between, there was a little bit of a gap. What I really think what the beauty industry has in common worldwide is that every client would like to fight the aging process. And that is why we developed Dermatude Meta Therapy, a concept which can be successful because the concept is very complete. Not only for our distributors, but also for all the institutes working with Dermatude. And I think having a turnkey implementable concept which gives good results for the end consumer can be successful worldwide. I started in the beauty industry in 1992. I started at a big company who developed their own beauty brands. What I really liked about my job was that I had so much contact with international companies and all the divisions of those companies. The sales and marketing departments, the owners, beauticians, but also clients. And it's incredibly inspiring to meet up with people all around the world. People who share the same passion and the same goal. All this experience is what inspired me to follow my passion with Dermatude. The blueprint of what would become Dermatude was realized while traveling with my partner. And during our travels, we thought about what was necessary to give the clients the good results, what was necessary to give the institutes the means to sell and to do these treatments. We create a 100% natural treatment, no perfume and no parabens, which is very important for us. When finishing up the full concept of Dermatude, we introduced it into the Dutch market because we wanted to have a pilot market for 1 year to have all the experience from the estheticians and from the consumers before deciding to go international. Dermatude grew very quickly. We had a lot of new distributors every year, and by now we already are available in over 35 countries. People love the treatment, the results are great, but the distributors love the turnkey implementable concept too. And next to that, I train them all myself, I visit them all myself, and I help them with each launch in each country. Dermatude strongly believes in good support for estheticians. We noticed in our market that good support for beauticians on marketing and sales helps them to be a successful therapist in their market and give good results to the consumers. Also, for our distributors, it is very important to offer a turnkey implementable concept so that they avoid spending a lot of unnecessary work on branding and marketing, but instead have a ready-to-implement brand for their market. The success of the past 5 years, reaching over 35 countries with Dermatude, is the result of all the dedication and passion that keeps going into the brand. And I'm excited to see what the future holds.